Hey Rob, how's it going? I want to show you my neighbor's pressure washer. It's been sitting for a long time. I was trying to get it started to pressure wash on the house. I just had a lot of work done. It's like primed and half painted a bunch of different colors. I was about to paint the whole house. But anyway, I had to put a new spark plug on, and I had to take that float bowl down and clean out the jet and mess with the gas and all that. And so right now it's 47 degrees. It was about 35 overnight, so I was going to do a cold start video on this for you. Yes, the heat is on. That's heat, not AC. The AC probably be on later. So we'll put this on choke. And we'll attempt to get it started here. I already turned the water on. Oh, might not be good here. Oh, here we go. Let it choke for a second. That sounds good. That's great. That right off. Heck yeah. I think it needs carburetor working all that way. There you go, just for you, Rob. Enjoy it.